Hello my alien students, people from planet Earth and people from alien planet. Everyone, welcome to my class, I would say. Yeah. So today what you're going to learn? Actually, this is going to be a trailer for a movie. Okay, this is a special request from one of my alien students. He's my old student. Okay, one of my old, one of my old students. You know what's his request? His request is as follows: John, can you please help me draw in AutoCAD 3D models? Okay, so what we're going to do is, let's say we're going to start in AutoCAD. Okay, this is the AutoCAD interface, and then we're going to go to AutoCAD 3D. Okay, just one random question. Okay, I think let's say majority of the people keep using AutoCAD till date, isn't it? You've been using AutoCAD from till date, and just want to ask you one random question. I want you to give me the answer in the comment section. Okay, down below in the video you have comment section. Type your answer. The question is as follows: what's the difference between AutoCAD and AutoCAD ISO? Okay, I want you to give me the answer in the comment section. Like, if you cannot give me the answer, if you cannot find, try. I want you to use your brains, your human or alien brains, and then I would explain in the next class or something. Just remind me, John, I need the answer for it. Okay, so let's say we are drawing an AutoCAD ISO 3D or AutoCAD 3D. Doesn't make a difference. It makes a difference. If you understand the top answer, you will understand. If I ask that question, if you can answer that, this answer would be chocolate. Okay. Anyway, we are back. You can see the whole screen. Okay, it's important that you need to see the screen, so otherwise you lose on something. Okay, anyway, so far so good. Okay, see, this looks normal. Okay, everything looks normal except for this beautiful three icon, isn't it? The UCS, isn't it? User coordinate system. Okay, anyway, listen, just remember this. Okay, red is x-axis, green is y-axis, and z is z-axis, z-axis, whatever. Okay. How to remember it? Remember RGB. Okay. See, sometimes in life, this can happen. Like, I will just show you what can happen. I'm sorry. This rotates. Okay, just I want you to put in the comment section, how did John rotate this? Okay, how did he do this or whatever? Okay. So this, I tell you one thing. Okay, this is a series of videos coming up on how to become an alien in AutoCAD 3D modeling. Okay, 2D modeling everybody can. It's going to be chocolate. It is chocolate. 3D modeling is going to be, let's say, ice cream. Okay, it's going to be chocolate also. Don't worry. Okay, there are a couple of settings to be done. Okay, because this interface is for the 2D modeling, which on polyline, blah blah, everything is for the 2D modeling. We need to see 3D objects. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the interface to 3D modeling. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, you see, now you have a different let's say interface look. Okay, so you have two questions today. Okay, you're going to tell me the answer. John, what's the difference between AutoCAD and AutoCAD ISO? Number two, how did John rotate this view orbit, I would say, without typing a command or whatever. Okay, you could have done this. This has more control. Okay, this course is for people who have never ever used AutoCAD 3D. Okay, so I think you get the picture. What's the story, isn't it? Yeah. Another way is to do something like this. Okay, if I want it to be in top, come and click top. Sorry, you get the picture. Huh? This is also another method. Okay, so that's the story. So we see each other in the next class. This is just a trailer of a movie. Coming classes, I'm going to teach you how to do it, and I think that's it for today. I'm going to teach you how to. We will be finishing this soon. Okay, the whole thing. How do we assemble everything? Where in AutoCAD 3D. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. We see each other in the next class, fresh and energized. Okay, that's the important thing, isn't it? So we keep moving forward, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.